I'm Paul Russell, I'm the Managing Director of Happy Hands Cleaning Services. I brought along my #1 spring clean team to show you how to clean a house. I'm going to tell you how to clean an LCD screen. First thing, you don't use furniture polish on an LCD screen because it can magnetise the television. All you need is a smooth, dry, clean cloth. You can purchase screen wipes from computer shops, but frankly you don't really need them. Just a smooth, dry, plain cloth will do the job. Work around the edges of the screen and in the middle, just wiping off the dust. Then you can clean around the back. That's all you really need to do. Obviously, you need to pay particular care to LCD screens. You may have noticed in the video that she was actually holding the screen, keeping it steady and in place, whilst with the other hand actually wiping the screen. And that's how we clean an LCD screen.